everyone. Now we all are going to sing one poem. Okay, are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, okay, well done. Let's start. And after that poem, you are going to tell me about what we are going to learn today. Okay, so everyone listen that poem carefully. Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
ready everyone? Show me a thumbs up if you all are ready. Okay, very good. Okay, let's start. When you feel thirsty, drink water. Slurp, slurp. Ha. When you feel hot, drink water. Slurp, slurp. Ha. When you feel sick, drink water. Slurp, slurp. Ha. Drink water at home, drink water at school, drink water at play. I slap, you slap, everyone slap, slap. We all are healthy kids. We all are healthy kids. When you feel thirsty, drink water. Slap, slap, ha. When you feel sick, drink water. Slap, slap, ha. When you feel hot, drink water. Slurp, slurp, ha. Drink water at home, drink water at school, drink water at play. I slurp, you slurp, everyone slurp, slurp. We all are healthy kids. We all are healthy kids. Okay, so can you tell me about what we are going to learn today? What we are going to learn today? Come on, guess and tell me about what we are going to learn today. Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me about what we all are. No, no. Which song we have sing now? About what? Come on, tell me.
Water.
Yes, very good. So today we all are going to learn about the uses of water. About the uses of water. Can you tell me what are the uses of water? Uses of water. Water. Yes, very good. Water. So now children, what are the uses of water? Uses means for what purpose we are going to use the water? Let's see. Okay.
Drinking, cooking,
Yes, very good. Drinking. Then
cooking, washing,
cooking, washing. Very good.
cleaning.
Cleaning. Well done, beta. Well done. So my dear students,
You
let's see
teacher.
what are the uses of water. Okay. So today's our subject is play, do and learn. Okay. And in that play, do and learn, we are going to learn about the water. Look at the picture carefully. This is a water. Water is a very precious and valuable resources on the earth. Okay. This water is a very important for us. Without water, we can't live. Okay. Around 71% of water, around 71% of our earth is covered with the water. If you can see the picture, you come to know that 71% of our earth is covered by water. Okay, look here. Okay, look here. See, this is a green color. It means it's forest and greenery, trees are there. And look here, this is a in blue color. So this blue color indicates the water. Okay, so around 71% of our earth is covered with the water. Now let's see the uses of water. Look at the picture carefully and tell me what are the uses of water. See, all the living things need water to survive. Yes or no? Come on, tell me.
Yes.
Yes. Human beings, animals, plants. Yes, human beings, plants, animals need water to survive.
Plant.
And yes, Yes.
Lemon.
Yeah.
Pen.
Yeah.
To wash. We need water to wash our clothes.
Yes. Okay. Now, my dear students, we need water for various purposes. Now, let's see them. Okay. First is, first picture is about drinking. Okay. So, first use of water is drinking. For drinking, we use water. Yes. And if what will happen if we do not drink the water?
Water drink.
Yes.
Drink.
Yes.
Water
We
drinking.
use water for drinking. Yes. What will happen if
Water
we do
for
not drink the water? Come on, tell me. What will happen if we do not drink the water?
We will die.
Yes, we will die. So water is a very important in our life. Okay. Now see the second one. Come on, you tell me.
To brush our teeth.
To brush our teeth. Okay. So while brushing our teeth, we use water. Okay. For what purpose we using water while brushing our teeth? Come on, tell me.
Wash our face.
Wash your face. Okay. Wash our face. And before brushing our teeth, we have to wash our brush. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So first, whenever we are taking the brush, after that, we have to wash our brush. Then we have to apply Colgate on it. And after brushing, what we all are doing? After brushing?
Night brushing.
Yes, we take a water into our mouth and we rinse it. Okay, we rinse it. And after finishing brushing our teeth, then only we have to wash our brush. Okay, we wash our brush with the water. So, we use water for brushing our teeth. Now next, come on, tell me.
For bathing. For
For
bathing.
bathing. And can you tell me what they are using for the bathing? What do you see? Come on, tell me.
Water.
Yes, water is there. And what you call this?
And soap. Tap.
What is this? Come on, tell me.
Tap.
Yes, this is called bathtub. Okay. So that children are taking bath in that bathtub. Okay. And for bathing, yes, for bathing, we use water. Okay, without water, we can take bath?
No.
No. Okay, very good. Now see the next. What that lady is doing? Come on, tell me.
The Lord
Yes.
Lord is washing.
Yeah. They both are putting the clothes into that machine. Okay. So for washing clothes, we use water. Yes or no? Come on, tell me.
Yes.
Yes. For washing clothes also, we need water. Now the next. Come on, tell me next. What the children are doing? Come on, tell me.
Children doing cleaning floor.
Yes. Children are cleaning the floor. Yes. So what material they are using for cleaning the floor?
Water.
Yes, brush is there, bucket is there, then mop is there. Why they are using bucket for cleaning? Come on, tell me.
Water.
Yes, they have taken the water into that bucket and only they are using that much water for cleaning the floor. Okay. Yeah, very good. Next is what they are doing in that picture. Mother is there and one girl is there. What they are making? Come on, tell me.
Mother doing cooking.
Yeah, they all are doing the cooking. And in the first picture, come see, look here. What is this? Come on, tell me. What they cook? Yes, the yummy chocolates. They both are making the yummy chocolate. So do you like to eat chocolate? Yes, then take it from there. Come on. Take it from there. Okay. Now see the second picture. See the second picture. What they both are doing. What the mother is doing.
The mother doing
Mother cooking. Yes.
a mother cooking a dal.
Yes, very good. The mother is cooking a dal. Okay. So in this two picture indicates that for cooking we require water. Look here. For making the chocolates, they are taking the milk and the water also. And for cooking dal, rice, then vegetable, sabzi, for that purpose also we require water. So water is a very important in our life. Okay. Next, after cooking, lots of utensils are there. So for washing the utensils, for cleaning the utensils, we need water. We uses water. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, after washing the utensils, after doing all the works, what we have to do? Yes.
To wash our face and
hands. So can you tell me when we have to wash our hands? Come on, tell me.
We wash our hands because
yes.
Face and hand.
Okay. So what I'm asking you, at what time you are washing your hands? Okay. When you all are washing your hands before taking milk? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Before taking milk and after taken milk also we have to wash our hands. Why we have to wash our hands? Because if we do not wash our hands, the germs will enter into our stomach and after that we feel ill. So it's a precaution to all of us that before taking milk, we have to wash our hands. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's see. Come on, tell me what that boys are doing.
The boys and girls.
Yes, that two boys are washing a car. Okay. So for washing the vehicles, we use water. Yes.
Water. Yes.
What do you see in the next picture? Come on, tell me.
Farming.
Farming means what?
Plant.
Yes.
Plant.
Where we can see the farming? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Okay. First tell me. Yeah, first tell me. Do you like to go to village? Village? Yes. Okay. So farming is done at a village. Okay. We get different types of vegetable, then pulses, then cereals. Why? Because the farmer farming in a field. Yes or no? So for farming, to grow the plants, we uses water. Okay. So now we have seen that human beings need water. Okay, we need water for drinking, for cooking, for taking bath, for washing hands, then for washing utensils. Yes, and like us, the plants also need water. Yes, yeah. And birds and animals need water to drink and to take a bath. Look at the picture carefully. See, these elephants are taking bath. Yeah. And this deer and the sparrow is drinking a water. Yes or no? So, my dear students, like us, the animals also need water. Okay. They use water for drinking and to take bath. Now do's and don'ts. Which things we have to do and which things we don't have to do. Okay, look here. Okay, come on, tell me what difference you can see in these both pictures. Come on, tell me. Look at the first picture. What that boy is doing?
Water.
Yes.
The boy is with water.
Yes, very good. And in the second picture, what that boy is doing?
The boy is brushing.
Yes.
Of the tap.
Yeah, very good. So while brushing of your teeth, you have to turn off the tap. Okay. Don't turn on the tap. Why? Because at that time you are wasting that much water. So yes. So what we all have to do, we have to turn off the tap while brushing your teeth.
Boy
Yes.
of the tap.
Yes. Remember one thing, when you all are brushing, at that time, you have to take brush, then you wash it and apply the Colgate on it and then off the tap. Okay. So it will save the water. So remember one thing, while brushing your teeth, you have to turn off the tap. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now see the second one. Turn off the tap after each use. Each use. Come on, tell me what you all are going to do. After washing the hands, what you all are going to do?
Eating.
After washing the hand, what you have to do? You have to turn off the tap. Yes or no? You have to, yes. Yeah. So whenever you are doing, you are washing the hands, you are washing the clothes, you are doing something, and after doing that, you have to turn off the tap. Why? Because we don't have to waste the water. Yes or no?
Yes.
And tell me one thing, what will happen if we all have wasted the water? If you have wasted the water, what will happen? Yes. Yes, come on, tell me what will happen if we have wasted the water?
The water
Yes.
will...
We will not get water. Yes, we have to save that. Okay, so look at the first picture. This raindrop is closing the tap. Yes, it means he is saving the water. And here the water is wasting. Yes or no? So this is a wrong and this is a right way. Okay. So it means we have to save the water and turn off the tap after each use. See, in this picture, they both are taking the bath. Yes. So what we have to do? We have to take bath and prevent the excess use of water. See, in the first picture, you can see that this man is using the shower and he is talking on the mobile phone. So now tell me which one is right and which one is wrong?
First picture is wrong and this is the wrong.
Yes. This boy is taking bath in a bathtub. Okay. And that he is saving the water. It means what we have to do whenever we are taking the bath, we have to take a short bath and prevent the excess use of water. See, this man is wasting the water and this is a very bad. So remember one thing, when you all are taking the bath, you have to take a short bath and you have to prevent the excess use of water. Okay? Don't waste the water. Now, how you all are going to save the water? Look at the picture and tell me. The first thing is that turn off the tap while brushing teeth. We have seen that in that picture. So saving water. We all have to do all these things. Okay, you have to tell your brother, you have to tell your sister, and you have to tell your parents also that how we all are going to save the water. So the first thing is that turn off tap while brushing teeth. Okay, turn off tap while brushing teeth. Then the second thing, take shorter baths. Okay, don't use shower. If you want to use, then use it shortly. Okay, so take shorter bath. Then the third is wash fruits or vegetables in a bowl of water. So whenever you are washing, whenever your mother is washing vegetables and fruits, tell her to make a use of a bowl. So it will save your water. Okay. And the last one is turn off tap after each use. So we all have to remember this all four things, that is turn off tap while brushing teeth, take shorter baths, wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water, and the last one is turn off tap after each use. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
So these four habits use every day, okay? And it will be important for saving the water. Got it, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, my dear students, from all this picture, we comes to know that water is very precious. So, we have to use it wisely. Okay, save water, save life. If you save the water, then it will save our life. Why? Because without water, nobody can live. Plants can't live, human beings can't live without water, and animals too can't live without water. So I request everyone that you have to use water carefully, okay? Because it is a very important to save the water. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And my dear students, in your Play Do Learn book, on the page number 27, you all are having this exercise. So let's do this. The question is, uses of water. Observe all the pictures carefully. Put the right in the box along the picture that you feel is a right, and put wrong in the box along the picture you feel is a wrong. Okay, so there are 6 pictures are there, and now you all are going to tell me which one is a right and which one is a wrong. So look at each picture carefully. Okay, see the first picture.
And second picture is right.
Tell me, first picture is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Why? Why the first picture is wrong?
The tap is on.
Yes, the tap is on. Yes. And that lady is washing the clothes and the water is wasting. So that's why the first option is wrong. So put wrong in that box. Okay. Now the second picture, the second lady, what she is doing?
Yes. And washing the clothes.
Yes. So tell me, the second picture is right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Why? Why the second picture is right?
The
Because
tap
that lady, yes, yes,
off.
yes, because that lady has turned off the tap. Yes. So what we all have to do? We have to turn off the tap. At what time we have to turn off the tap?
And washing clothes.
Yes, she turned off the tap and washing her clothes. It means she is saving the water. So that's why the second picture is right. Now see the third picture, third and fourth. Compare between the two pictures.
Wrong.
The third picture, that boy is brushing his teeth and he, yes, yes. Why the third picture is wrong?
Tap on. Open.
Yes.
Water.
Yes, because that boy is doing That boy is brushing his teeth and he's wasting the water. Yes, that's why this is a wrong. So we have to turn off the tap after what? After?
Right.
No. We have to turn off the tap when we don't need water. Yes. And the third picture, see that boy is brushing nicely and he's turned off the tap. So this boy is saving a water, and this in the third picture, that boy is wasting water. Okay. So the third picture is wrong and the fourth picture is right. Okay. Now see the fifth picture.
Is right.
Yes, right. Okay. And last picture.
Wrong. Last picture is wrong.
Okay. Now tell me why the fifth picture is right and why the sixth picture is wrong. In the fifth picture, the tap is off. And the last picture, the tap is
on.
okay. So who is wasting water here?
First, right side.
Last one, that is on the sixth number. Okay. So my dear student, you have to complete the page number 37 and you have to promise yourself. You have to promise yourself that you all are not going to waste the water, because we have to save water. Why? Because save water, save life. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we have seen what are the uses of water and how we all are going to save the water. Okay. So now now let's play one game. You have to identify the action which I'm going to do now. Okay. Ready everyone?
Yes.
Ready everyone? So I am doing the action of the uses of water. Okay. So for what purpose we are using water, you have to guess. Okay. Ready everyone?
Yes.
Ready? Okay.
Drinking. Drink water.
Yes, drinking. For drinking, we use water. Yes. Then
washing clothes. Washing clothes. Washing clothes.
what I'm doing? Come on, tell me. What I'm doing?
Cooking.
Cooking. Very good. For cooking also we need water. Yes. Now the next action.
Washing clothes.
Washing clothes. Very good. Next action.
Brushing.
Brushing. Yes. For brushing also we need water. Next action.
Hands. Washing hands.
Washing hands we need water. Yes, very good.
Washing face. Washing face.
Of my tab. Okay. For washing face also we need water. Okay. So my dear students, we have to remember one thing, that we have to use the water carefully because it helps for you to save the water. Okay. That is very important for us to save the water. Got it everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to remember one thing, that we do not use the water or waste the water. Come on, tell me.
We have to not waste the water.
Yes. So remember one thing, that we do not waste the water. All have to use water carefully because save water, save life. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, bye. Take care everyone.